Introduction. Welcome, esteemed medical students, to today's lecture on the fascinating topic of hormonal regulation of thermogenesis. As future physicians, it is crucial for you to understand how the endocrine system influences thermoregulation in the human body. Throughout the course of this lecture, we will delve into the intricate mechanisms by which various hormones, such as thyroid hormones, Adipocons, Catecholamines, melatonin, insulin, growth hormone, sex hormones, glucocorticoids, gastrointestinal hormones, corticotropin-releasing hormone, CRH, and uncoupling proteins, UCPs, contribute to the regulation of thermogenesis. So, without further ado, let us embark on this incredible journey exploring the fascinating world of hormones and their impact on thermoregulation. In this first section, we will focus on the important role that hormones play in the regulation of thermogenesis. Thermogenesis refers to the process of heat production in response to changes in environmental temperature or metabolic demands. The intricate interplay between various hormones and the thermoregulatory centers in the hypothalamus ensures that our body maintains an optimal core temperature. Among the hormones involved in thermoregulation, thyroid hormones hold a prominent position. Thyroid hormones, specifically triiodothyronine, T3, and thyroxine, T4, play a crucial role in regulating thermogenesis. These hormones control the basal metabolic rate, BMR, and are responsible for maintaining body temperature. Through the activation of specific genes, thyroid hormones stimulate mitochondrial activity, which enhances heat production. Additionally, they increase the responsiveness of tissues to other thermogenic stimuli, promoting energy expenditure. Moving on, we shift our focus to a group of hormones known as Adipocons, which are secreted by adipose tissue. Adipocons, such as adiponectin and leptin, play a role in energy homeostasis and metabolic regulation. These hormones influence thermogenesis through their direct effects on the hypothalamus, stimulating heat production and increasing energy expenditure. Catecholamines, including epinephrine and norepinephrine, are critical in the regulation of thermogenesis. Released from the adrenal medulla and sympathetic nerve endings, these hormones act on adipose tissue, liver, and skeletal muscle to increase lipolysis, gluconeogenesis, and heat production. By activating beta-adrenergic receptors, catecholamines stimulate the breakdown of stored energy substrates, leading to increased thermogenic activity. Let us now explore the less known but equally important hormone, melatonin, and its role in thermogenesis. Melatonin, mainly secreted by the pineal gland during the dark period of the day-night cycle, exhibits diurnal variation in its release. It has been shown to modulate brown adipose tissue activity, enhancing thermogenesis. Melatonin's actions are thought to be mediated through its receptors in adipocytes and the hypothalamus, thereby influencing energy expenditure and body temperature regulation. Insulin, a hormone known for its crucial role in glucose homeostasis, also plays a fascinating role in thermoregulation. It influences thermogenesis by facilitating the uptake and oxidation of glucose in specific tissues. Insulin's activities extend to the hypothalamus, where it influences the thermoregulatory centers responsible for maintaining body temperature. This highlights the intricate relationship between insulin and thermogenesis, demonstrating that insulin's effects go beyond glucose control and extend to the regulation of body temperature. Next, we turn our attention to growth hormone, GH, and its role in thermogenesis. GH plays a vital role in body growth, metabolism, and energy balance. It promotes lipolysis and protein synthesis while increasing energy expenditure. GH exerts thermogenic effects by stimulating the release of fatty acids from adipose tissue, providing a substrate for heat production. Proceeding further, we shall explore the influence of sex hormones on thermogenesis. Estrogens and androgens play a significant role in metabolic regulation and the maintenance of body temperature. Estrogens are known to increase metabolic rate and, consequently, heat production. Likewise, androgens exert thermoregulatory effects through their impact on lean body mass and metabolism. Glucocorticoids, such as cortisol, play a crucial role in regulating metabolic processes in the body, including thermogenesis. These hormones are released in response to stress, infection, or inflammation, and they exert their effects by acting on various thermoregulatory centers in the brain. One way in which glucocorticoids contribute to thermogenesis is through the breakdown of adipose tissue, leading to the release of stored energy as heat. This process helps to increase body temperature and maintain energy balance. Thus, glucocorticoids not only have a role in stress response but also impact thermoregulation in the body. Gastrointestinal hormones play a crucial role in regulating thermogenesis, which is the process of heat production in our bodies. These hormones are released from the gut and have been found to not only regulate food intake and satiety but also impact thermogenesis. One such hormone is cholecystokinin, CCK, which is released in response to the presence of nutrients in the small intestine. CCK has been shown to stimulate thermogenesis, thereby increasing heat production. Another important hormone is glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, which is produced by the intestinal cells. GLP-1 has been found to have thermogenic properties and influences energy expenditure. It increases heat production and helps in maintaining body temperature. Peptide Y, PYY, is another gut hormone involved in regulating thermogenesis. It is released after food intake and acts on the hypothalamus, creating a feeling of satiety. PYY has been shown to increase energy expenditure, thus promoting thermogenesis. In summary, gastrointestinal hormones like CCK, GLP-1, and PYY play a significant role in regulating thermogenesis, influencing energy expenditure, and maintaining body temperature. Understanding the intricate relationship between these hormones and thermogenesis can provide insights into the mechanisms behind appetite control and metabolic regulation. Now, let us delve into the fascinating world of corticotropin-releasing hormone, CRH, and its involvement in thermogenesis. CRH, primarily released by the hypothalamus in response to stress, has been found to affect body temperature regulation. Its actions on the sympathetic nervous system and the adrenal glands contribute to enhanced thermogenesis, helping to cope with stress-induced temperature changes. Let us now discuss the fascinating role of uncoupling proteins, UCPs, in the hormonal regulation of thermogenesis. UCPs are specialized proteins located in the inner mitochondrial membrane, where they play a crucial role in uncoupling the process of oxidative phosphorylation from ATP synthesis. This unique function allows UCPs to dissipate energy as heat instead of producing ATP. Moreover, various hormones, including leptin and thyroid hormones, have the ability to influence the expression of UCPs. By modulating UCP expression, these hormones can impact the overall thermogenesis process and consequently regulate body temperature. In conclusion, hormonal regulation of thermogenesis is a complex process involving multiple interrelated pathways. Hormones, including thyroid hormones, Adipocons, Catecholamines, melatonin, insulin, growth hormone, sex hormones, glucocorticoids, gastrointestinal hormones, corticotropin-releasing hormone, CRH, and uncoupling proteins, UCPs, all contribute in their unique ways to ensure the body's optimal thermoregulation. Understanding the intricate dance of these hormones enhances our comprehension of thermoregulation processes and opens avenues for therapeutic interventions targeting thermogenic dysregulation. As budding physicians, it is crucial for you to grasp the intricate details we have explored today, as it equips you with the knowledge to diagnose and manage disorders related to hormonal regulation of thermogenesis.